Geography, Lesson 1, Resources. A student, today I am teaching about the resources. Lesson 1. What are resources? Resources are the materials which have got value and used to satisfy our needs. There are few characteristics of resources: utility and value, depletion or consumption. Student, there are three types of resources: human resources, natural resources, and the man-made resources. Example of human resources: teachers; natural resources: forest, tree; and the man-made resources: chair, table, etc. Natural resources are those resources that are drawn from nature and are used without much modification. Air, water, soil, mineral are the natural resources. Natural resources are classified into different groups depending upon their level of development and use, origin, and distribution. Natural resources are called gift of resources. Human resources refer to the number of ability of the people. People can make the best use of nature to create more resources when they have the knowledge, a skill, and the technology. People are human resources. Improving the quality of people, a skill, so that they are able to create more resources known as human resources. Human-made resources. Human-made resources refer to the number and ability of the people. The resources which are created from the natural resources by the human and to produce useful product are known as human-made resources, like road, machinery, vehicle. Technology is also a human-made resources. Student, look some best example of human resources: training, research, a skill, employee, potential, etc. Natural resources are categorized into land resources, water, energy, mineral, and the forest resources. These are called natural resources. A student, compare between the natural and man-made resources. It is the best example how man use natural resources: natural rubber, tire, natural wood, dining table, metal, a spoon, sand, clay pots, copper, a statue, etc. On the basis of development, natural resources can be classified into actual and potential. Actual resources whose quantity known, potential resources whose quantity may not be known. Actual resources are being used in the present, potential resources are not being used present, it could be used in future. A student, again look the types of natural resources: vegetation, soil, animal, mineral, and water. On the basis of origin, there are two types of resources: biotic and abiotic. Biotic resources are derived from animal and plant, means living world. Abiotic resources are derived from the non-living world, for example, land, water, and air. Mineral and power resources can also be abiotic resources. Conserving of natural resources. We need to conserve resources because natural resources are very limited. Conserving resources. Conservation of resources refer to using natural resources carefully so that they could be renewed and continue to be used in future. Sustainable use of resources refer to carefully utilizing resources and balancing the need to use resources and also conserve them for the future generation. It is our duty to ensure that all usage of renewable resources are sustainable. The diversity of life on the earth should be conserved. There are many ways of conserving resources. Each person can contribute by reducing, consumption, recycling, and reusing things. Why should we conserve natural resources? As we know that nature provide all the basic needs which are necessary to us, but we are overexploiting or overusing these resources. If we go on overexploiting the nature, there will be no more resources available in the future. So there is an urgent need to conserve the nature. Here are some need to maintain ecological balance, to preserve different types of biodiversity, to preserve the natural resources for the a student. Here look four different questions regarding this lesson. Why are resources distributed unequally over the earth? Second, what is resources conservation? Third, why are human resources important? And four, what is sustainable development? I already discussed 2, 3, 4. Question number 2, 3, 4. And first, why are resources distributed unequally over the earth? Because climatic condition and the rainfall are different in different parts of the earth. Thank you.